welcome Team Southside, where teamwork makes the dream work. Mr. Reynolds here.
And Miss D, and we have some fantastic fifth graders with us today. We've got
Gay Jeeves from Miss Harvey's class.
Lainey Davis from Miss Harvey's class.
Caleb McLean from Miss Harvey's class.
All right, and you're going to find out why they're with us in just a little bit. But first, let's go ahead and stand up and say the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, well, happy Friday, everyone. It has been such a great week. We are so excited that it's Friday. And since it's Friday, that means we are going to officially conclude our Estimystery that we've had all week long. So if you remember, your job was to estimate how many house points are awarded, the average of house points that are awarded within a 1 week time frame.
That's right. And since it has been a short week, we're going to give you another clue today. But first, let's review the clues. What's one?
There's not a digit higher than 6.
Great.
Engage.
I forgot.
That was not a clue. Okay, so another clue, square numbers. He got it.
The number in the ones place, when it's squared, it equals the two numbers in the hundreds and tens place.
So that's the new clue.
That's right. And it kind of encompasses the other clue.
It does, because the other clue was talking about how the fact that it is only square numbers in the answer.
That's right.
So there are 2 square numbers in the answer.
So new clue from Gage should help lead you in. So think about the number in the ones digit. That number squared, like Gage said, equals the number in the tens and hundreds digit. So maybe that'll be enough.
Yeah, and I do need to clarify. Yesterday I did say that you could double a number to make it a square number. That is not exactly right. You have to multiply the number times itself to make a square number. Like, you can't just double 3, because if you double 3, that's 6. The 6 is not a square number. But you multiply 3 times 3, 3 threes is 9. 9 is a square number.
Right. So really, if you duplicate the factor, that's going to be your square numbers. Good clarification, Mr. Reynolds. Okay, well, hopefully, after all these clues and your new one, this was enough for the official answer. Mr. Reynolds, are you ready to tell us?
I think I am. You guys want to say it is
164.
An average of 164 house points a week. That is fantastic.
Seriously, I mean, think about each house point represents something amazing that you guys are doing, whether it's as an entire house or as a person showing great character. So that makes us super proud to know 164 on average a week. That is amazing.
And we have a creative problem solver here with us today. We have Miss Lainey Davis. And Lainey, would you please describe what we're so excited to share with other people about?
So I'm in a club called STLP, and I made an infographic about the houses, and so yeah, it's right here.
All right, you see our 4 houses, 1 school infographic that looks fantastic. Somebody's leaning against the board. And not only does it look fantastic, but of course, we at Southside are a little bit biased and think it's great. But evidently, some other people think it's awesome too.
Yes.
And Steve, do you know who?
So this graphic was entered into the competition for the state STLP competition, and we have found out that Lainey is a state finalist, which means her presentation, her creation was one of the best in the state, and she is officially competing as a state finalist, which is so exciting. So we find out how she does next month. But this took a lot of creativity. How did you come up with this whole entire idea?
I thought that like a lot of parents would want to know about what their children's doing at school, and so that's what made me make this, because I thought like my mom doesn't know much about it, and so she wanted to know a lot about it once I like came home and told her my house and stuff, and like she just didn't understand it. So this is like for parents mostly to know about what their kids doing in school.
It is wonderful.
It is. And best of luck as you move on to the next round of competition, which will be announced at the state STLP conference, right, coming up.
Correct.
Excellent.
So now not only can parents of Southside kids know about their houses because of this, now the whole state can know how awesome we are. So we are super proud of you for that.
Sorry, this afternoon or later today, I guess they're not all in the afternoon, but we do
Yes.
have some buddy house meetings coming up today. And so I think you guys will have a good time. Speaking of houses, we'll be
Yes.
meeting with other people in our own houses at different grade levels to learn about kindness.
That's right. And we love giving you guys an opportunity to get with your house. And this time you get to pair up with a grade level that you haven't got to buddy up with yet. So it's going to be wonderful to spend time with them. And of course, you know, when you are in a house meeting, that is prime time for getting house points. So make sure you are showing that good character and being your absolute best self during your buddy house meeting today. All right, well, on this Friday and every day at Southside, you know we love to see you be
Safe, respectful, and responsible.
and
It's always a great day to be a Southside Stallion.